Welcome back to Global Knowledge Factory. Before we start, be sure to subscribe for more amazing videos. In which year British East India Company occupied Punjab? A. 1846, B. 1847, C. 1849, D. 1850. Answer is C. 1849. What was the real name of Titu Mir? A. Nasir Ali, B. Syed Ahmad, C. Muhammad Ali, D. None of them. Answer is A. Nasir Ali. What is the total area of Khyber Pakhtunkhwa province? A. 101,741 square kilometers, B. 90914 square kilometers, C. 347,190 square kilometers, D. 205,344 square kilometers. Answer is A. 101,741 square kilometers. The opposition leader of National Democratic Party 1975 to 1977 was A. Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, B. Sardar Ataullah Mengal, C. Sarfraz Sherbaz Khan Mazari, D. None of these. Answer is C. Sardar Sherbaz Khan Mazari. Which state was attacked by India on 11th September 1948? A. State of Hyderabad Deccan, B. State of Jammu and Kashmir, C. State of Manawdar, D. State of Junagadh. Answer is A. State of Hyderabad Deccan. Senate of Pakistan comprises of how many members? A. 100, B. 63, C. 87, D. 50. Answer is A. 100. The Kashf al-Mahjoob was written by A. Hazrat Data Ganj Bakhsh Ali Hajweri, B. Maulana Altaf Hussain Hali, C. Maulana Shibli Numani, D. Maulana Zakaullah. Answer is A. Hazrat Data Ganj Bakhsh Ali Hajweri. Who started the Faraizi movement? A. Haji Shariatullah, B. Allama Muhammad Iqbal, C. Maulana Muhammad Ali Johar, D. Maulana Zakaullah. Answer is A. Haji Shariatullah. Who reviewed the famous book The Indian Mussalmans in 1872? A. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan, B. Sir William Wilson Hunter, C. M. Dilawar Hussain, D. John King Fairbank. Answer is A. Sir Syed Ahmad Khan. Government of India Act 1858 was passed on A. 2nd August 1858, B. 18th July 1858, C. 24th October 1858, D. 3rd June 1858. Answer is A. 2nd August 1858. Indian Independence Act was enforced on A. 13 August 1947, B. 14th August 1947, C. 15th August 1947, D. 16th August 1947. Answer is C. 15th August 1947. Who was the founder of daily English newspaper Dawn? A. Liaquat Ali Khan, B. Z.A. Suleri, C. Quaid-e-Azam, D. None of them. Answer is Quaid-e-Azam. Who was the second Prime Minister of Pakistan? A. Chaudhry Muhammad Ali, B. Khwaja Nazimuddin, C. Liaquat Ali Khan, D. Feroz Khan Noon. Answer is B. Khwaja Nazimuddin. Allama Muhammad Iqbal delivered his famous Allahabad address in A. 1929, B. 1930, C. 1931, D. 1932. Answer is B. 1930. Which pass connects Pakistan with Afghanistan? A. Khunjarat Pass, B. Khyber Pass, C. Shahdur Pass, D. None of these. Answer is B. Khyber Pass. Thanks for watching and wait for the next video.